melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ash.
So here we are in my garden. I'm planting. I never could wait until May 15th to plant. I always planted seeded in the house a little too early. I just get that itch, so I am planting. If we do get a frost, I have an abundance of canning jars and blankets in the kennel that I can cover everything with. I'm not worried. The weather looks like it's gonna hold, but it always does to the last minute. So I'm not I'm not too worried about it. So I am also looking like I'm not going to have enough room for all the tomatoes on the trellises that I thought I would. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm going to plant everything and then see what I've got left. I haven't done a total count yet. I will put a total count of total tomato plants right here. So I've got pink, red, and yellow brandywines this year. I did not grow any brandywines last year, and I regret it. Brandywines are a heritage. I can save seed from them and get the same thing every year. However, that is only if I do not plant other varieties of tomatoes within 100 feet of them, because they will cross-pollinate, which is okay, because other than brandywines, I have the classic Romas. I've got pink giant Belgian, and I have Polish paste, and I think that's it. Oh, and Cherokee purple, which is also a heritage tomato that you can save seed from. Romas, I have to double check on Romas, but these are all tomatoes that I absolutely love, so I don't care if they cross-pollinate. So that's what I'm doing today in the garden, and so let's hope for no frost till May 15th, even though we had a frost on May 18th last year, so who knows. I'm going for it.
The wind to change my fate. Yeah, please just blow this flame away, and I hold on for rainy days. It feels like a decade. Just please come and save